Hello, this is Spike Ridge. I'm in Whitland, South Wales. I don't know how good it's for, but I'm staying at my auntie's. She lives in Norbury. This siren has got some strange sirens on, very quiet as well. I don't know what the other junction is, but there's a big junction over there. But the only town I know is it's between Fishguard and Whitland. Trace me go from Fishguard to Swansea. I'm filming Whitland station level crossing in a min. Siren. Hear a train. There is a train. I don't know where. I think that might be going from Fishguard to Swansea. Stopping at Whitland train station. Going to Whitland train station level crossing next. This is Whitland level crossing though, on the outskirts of Whitland. And that's it.